Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well because it's been a very long time I've spoken to you guys. And thank you so much for asking about me, why I'm not uploading the video, whether I'm okay in a health wise and everything. And thank you so much. It feels really very good to know there are people who are worrying about you. And I'm healthy and I'm fine. I just wanted to take a small break from this usual routine life, so that's why I thought one small break would be very good for me. Today I'm here with the recipe of Sabudana Vada, which is made out of potato, sagu and little bit of spices, and this is a very good recipe for the fasting during Navratri. This recipe is no onion, no garlic recipe, and it is very quick to make, easy and a very healthy snack. And even you can use this as a snack, or even you can use this as your dinner or lunch or anything during Navratri fasting. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do share my channel with your friends and family. So let me show you the ingredients and the cooking process of it. These are the ingredients you need to make a Sabudana Vada. I have here 2 medium-sized boiled potato and 1 cup sagu, which is pre-soaked. I soaked this in a water for about 3 hours and then drain out the water. And then you have this nice pearls. Half a cup of mix of peanuts and cashew nuts, and I have just chopped them roughly. If you want to grind them, you can even coarsely grind them. And I have 1 green chili finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and salt to taste. This is not the normal salt, this is actually a Himalayan rock salt, which is known as Sendha Namak also. This is actually used during Navratri festival, so I am using this salt. And I have here water chestnut flour, about 1 tablespoon. This is actually known as Singhade ka atta. I'll mix all these ingredients and make a nice and firm dough. You take one mixing bowl. In that you just add your boiled potato, and by using your hand just smash them nicely. Now potatoes are nicely mashed. I will add into it soaked pearls, and then now I will add all the ingredients whatever I had, including the salt. Now you have to form a nice dough. You don't have to use the water in this because this already has moisture from the potato, and I'm adding water chestnut flour just to form a nice dough. See, now the dough is ready. Now by using a little bit of oil in my both the hands, I will, so that this dough don't stick to your hand. Actually the oil what I am using, it's a peanut oil. If you don't have peanut oil, you can even use clarified butter. And I'll just take out a small lemon size ball, make a round and just flatten it out a bit from your help of the palm. Just make it like this and place it aside. I'll show you one more. It is up to you how big do you want to make your vada, or you want to make it smaller. See, all you do is actually now I would not be using the entire dough. What I will do, you can even easily store this in a fridge and use it whenever you want. So I will just put it in a airtight container. I will take how much ever I want, and the rest I'll just put it in the airtight container and keep it in the fridge and use it whenever you want. Our sabudana patties are ready to fry. Now let's fry them. Here I have already preheated peanut oil. if you don't have peanut oil, you can even use ghee or a clarified butter. Actually, during Navratri fasting, we don't use any other oil. We just use either pure ghee or peanut oil. So our oil is already preheated. I will just drop the patties. Don't overcrowd them. Fry them on a medium flame till they become nice and crispy. They're almost done. So if you cook it on a medium flame, they will definitely be nice and well cooked. See, now they are nice and golden brown. Now we'll take this out onto a paper towel so that it drains out all the excess oil. See, our yummy Sabudana Vada is ready to serve. Now our nice and crispy Sabudana Vada is ready, and it's a very good for fasting. Let me just open it and see. It's nicely well cooked. If you want to serve this during a Navratri fast, so please serve this with yogurt, and if you're serving this in a normal day, serve with some green chutney. And don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram also, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take good care of yourself, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.